In this video, we're going to show you how to put up a bracketed shelf. It's a really easy DIY job that absolutely anyone can do, so keep watching for an easy to follow step-by-step guide. This is the shelf and wall bracket we'll be using, but this technique can work on the majority of our range. And here are all the tools and equipment you'll need. For the full list, check out the description below. Measure across from the edge of your area and mark the centre. Measure how high you'd like your shelf to be and draw a mark next to the measuring tape. If you don't want to draw directly onto the shelf, mark onto the masking tape. Decide where to place your brackets on the shelf. Measure an equal distance from each side of the shelf. We've gone for 100mm. Measure the width between your brackets. Half this number and use it to measure from either side of the centre of your wall. Your markings will now be centred and accurately show you where to put your brackets. Use the spirit level to make sure all these points line up. Place your brackets onto the wall, aligning their top edge with your wall markings. To make sure everything is perfectly horizontal, it's a good idea to use the spirit level. Use a pencil or a marksman pen to mark where you'll need to drill your holes. Scan over your wall with a stud detector. This will alert you if you have any pipes or wires where you're about to drill. No sounds means you're good to go. When installing a shelf onto a brick wall like this one, you'll need a masonry drill bit and matching wall plugs. You can make sure your drill bit and wall plug match by comparing their widths like this. For a plasterboard wall, you'll need a multi-purpose drill bit and a plasterboard plug. Wrap a piece of masking tape around your drill bit as a guide for how far to drill into your wall. Little tip, tape an envelope under your drill to catch any dust when drilling. Pop on your safety goggles and ear defenders. When drilling, make sure to keep your drill stable and straight. Remove the tape when you've finished. Insert your fixings into the drilled holes. They may need a little encouragement with a hammer. Align the holes on the bracket with the fixings in the wall and secure the wall using screws and a screwdriver or drill. Do the same with the second bracket. Place your shelf onto the brackets, making sure each bracket is an equal width from the edge of your shelf. Use a drill to screw the shelf into the brackets for added stability. Carry out a final check with the spirit level to make sure your shelf lays flat. And your shelf is ready to dress. Give it a quick clean, add your stuff, books, decorative pieces, and it's done.